Hi, I'm Paul and welcome to Zen. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps that you need to do to get your full fibre service up and running. The first step is to get your new router and take it out of its packaging. The bits that you're going to need are your Fritzbox router, your power cable that comes in two parts. You'll have the pin, and then you'll have the power plug and lead itself. And then you'll want your RJ45 or Ethernet cable. Once you have these, you want to take your Fritzbox router and locate LAN 1 or LAN 1 on the back. And you'll want to plug one end of that Ethernet cable into there until you hear it click. Now make sure it goes into LAN 1. You then want to take the other end of this cable and plug this into your ONT. Now, depending on which network your service is running over, will depend on which ONT you have. For example, if you're connected over the CityFibre network, your ONT will look like this. If you're running over the Openreach network, your ONT will look similar to this. Now, how to connect it up is the same for both. You'll find on the bottom of Openreach there is a yellow port, and on the side of the CityFibre one, there is also a yellow port. All you need to do is plug the other end of that Ethernet lead from your router into your ONT. And it's the exact same if you're on CityFibre. So once that's plugged in, you want to take your power lead and hook your pins in, like so, until you hear it click. And then plug that into the power. Now, once your Fritzbox is powered up and there's power going to your ONT, which should have been installed by the engineer, you simply need to wait about 5 minutes. Over this period of time, a connection will be established between your router through the ONT to ourselves. And after that 5 minutes is done, come back to your router and connect. And everything should be working perfectly fine. If you find that after 5 minutes you're still unable to connect to the internet, all you need to do is unplug the power cable from your Fritzbox, wait about 10 seconds, plug it back in, and then repeat that 5-minute wait. And you should find that that then starts things moving and your settings will be automatically downloaded to the Fritzbox and everything should then come online. If you're still having issues, take your ONT, whether it's CityFibre or Openreach, and reboot. Now, you can do this by simply pulling out the power cable, waiting 10 seconds, and plugging it back in. If at this point you're still unable to connect to the internet, you may need to manually enter the settings into your Fritzbox. Now, I go through exactly how to do that in this video here. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please click on that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, click on that subscribe button. But until next time, thank you very much.